Hi everybody, we're here today with Vasi Philomin, and he's going to explain all about his vision for industrial AI and our brand new Eigen Engineering Agent.
I think the next frontier for AI is physical AI, where AI actually moves out of the screen into the real world. The automation engineers today, they face a real challenge. They're the ones on the front lines. They're the ones making factories operational. And this is a whole bunch of undifferentiated heavy lifting, but it's very essential work that they have to do. Big shift with the Eigen Engineering Agent is that this is no longer AI that suggests, but it's rather AI that completes work on behalf of the automation engineer. Unlike traditional chatbot applications, the Eigen Engineering Agent runs inside real engineering systems, and as a result, it has access to all of the project context and constraints that the automation engineer has to deal with. And what the Eigen Engineering Agent does is it validates the output according to customer safety standards, breaks down the complex task that is given into little steps, and then it executes on each of the steps, iterating itself and correcting itself as part of the process until the outputs are actually ready to review. We've piloted it over 100 customers across 19 different countries, and the results are quite clear. Execution speed goes up by about 2 to 5x. The quality of the solution actually is up to 80% higher, and the efficiency of the automation engineer is up to 50% better. The name Eigen has its roots in the German language, and it means your own. If you look at chatbots and other AI tools that are available out there today, there isn't a notion of them being your own. The Eigen Engineering Agent, we've built it in such a way that it learns your preferences over time and it becomes your own. The term Eigen also has a link to linear algebra and math and quantum physics. The word eigenvectors and eigenvalues are very common in that world. Engineers are used to that term to mean the eigen state, which is the pure state of a system with a lot of chaos around it. So you can think of this as an agent that's going to help you find that pure solution amidst all of the chaos that is around you with engineering projects.